Hi, welcome back for the fourth video. Now we're going to take a closer look on how we can change or add or subtract some information to our current or existing organization in Forma. So on the left hand side, underneath your proposal one, by the way, you can change the name of it if you want to or duplicate it, and just duplicate it for the purpose, and then we can rename it as proposal 2, and we can switch back to proposal 1. And when we switch back to proposal 1, underneath layers we see terrain. We can access the terrain mode, but we don't need to for now. That's okay. We have a three-dimensional terrain here, and we can turn off the terrain, turn on the terrain. And underneath the untitled base, this is the base for our project, and you see edit base. So if you click on edit base, and if I select this building or this building, I can, you see, increase the height of this building into 15, let's say, and then it goes up. You see, it goes up for the 15 meters from the ground, you see, but it wasn't like that. So I can control set this. If I cannot, I can put 8. So what is the height of it? So if I put 15 to this, it will extrude this building, okay? But it was 3 point something something, and I'm not really sure. So you see, you can make all these changes, and then you can read here, editing untitled base change will affect 2 proposals because we are having 2 proposals here, and then I'll say done. We can lock these buildings, which will make them not selectable, turn them off, turn it on, and turn this all off as well. The next thing I wanted to mention is guides and the measurements here, which we are not doing anything yet, but it sort of gives us an opportunity to snap to objects or snap to guidelines. We'll be talking about that in the next videos as well. Visibility, terrain is going to be a transparent mesh, or like a topography or a map or satellite view. Don't see it in satellite view? Why not? It's not showing this as in satellite view. I'm not sure why. Maybe it's related to location. We can switch back to another project. So we can change the shadows. We can see the shadows on this particular date. For the buildings, you see it's going off and on. Oh, by the way, we now see the satellite view, and we see the shadows as well. So we can say August in the morning. So can you see the shadows? Oh, it's 7. And now we are seeing these going down as the sun goes down. So you can switch back to this and turn off the shadows, turn on the shadows. That is completely up to you. And when we come back to this location, we can take a screenshot, save the camera position. We can save the camera position as we do in Rhino, or we can have a 4K really high resolution screen capture. Camera options, look from point, zoom fit to proposal, look from the point, click on a point to look to. I think we can come out with that point as such, and then it will put our location to that point. It's like more like a human view kind of a thing. Obviously, it's showing us the north, always showing us the north. And if we switch to 2D, it shows everything on the plan within respect to. Okay, switch. Now we're in 2D, showing us the north as well. And when you rotate it by pressing right button of your mouse, you'll be always rotating the buildings or the things that you see on top view. And that's pretty much it for this video. In the next video, we'll be taking a closer look on designing buttons of Autodesk Forma on this menu here. So So I'll see you in the next one.